Need a quick escape from the city? Let me show you how easy it is to do a DIY day trip from Barcelona to Sitges, a charming coastal town just 40 minutes away. Think golden beaches, beautiful old streets, and that relaxed Spanish vibe you won't find in the city crowds. No tour needed, just your sense of adventure. Let's go! From my hostel in Eixample, I walked over to Passeig de Gràcia station to catch the train to Sitges. At the ticket machine, one of the station staff gave me a hand. It was super quick and hassle-free.
Yeah. Gracias.
I got a round-trip ticket for 980 euros, but this was last year, so prices might be a little different now. But the trip itself is just as easy. All you have to do is look for the R2 Sud trains that stop at Sitges. After that, follow the signs to the platform, hop on the train, and enjoy the 40-minute ride to the coast. When I arrived in Sitges, I just followed the other people out of the station. It's a short walk and you'll find yourself right in the heart of town. After getting out of the station, I made my way to the beach. It was summer, so the beach was crowded and the sun was blazing. I didn't really have a plan in Sitges. I was just curious to see what it's like. But first, lunch. I decided to eat at Picnic, a Mediterranean restaurant right by the beach with a beautiful view. I originally wanted paella, but it's a minimum of 2 people to order, so I went for this dish. I don't remember the name, but it was delicious. And of course, I had to try their crema catalana for dessert. After lunch, I spent the afternoon just walking around. Sitges is perfect for aimless wandering. Sandy beaches, colorful streets, and a really relaxed vibe that's a nice change from busy Barcelona. Eventually, it was time to head back to Barcelona. The return trip is just as easy. Just hop on the R2 Sud train and about 40 minutes later, you're back in the city. If you're looking for alternative to the usual Gaudi spots and busy tourist areas, Sitges is the perfect escape from Barcelona. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this Sitges day trip guide helps you plan your own adventure from Barcelona. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel guides, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. See you in the next one. Bye!